this community is a sign of embodying all that resilience, dynamic, and engine. We speak the same language, we understand it, and we personalize it because we practice it, we reflect on it.
For me, it's really special to see as many of us in the room as this today, and also with a lovely spread across all the different years. So I think that's really great that people are going to get the opportunity to connect with people they may not have met before and can share experiences together.
Actually, I find it really incredible having all these coaches from lots of different backgrounds, working with different sorts of clients, with all the same focus on resilience, approaching it maybe in a different way.
77% of the people who we survey are compromise their well-being in order to perform well. Right? That's going to create a stuckness in resilience, and it will not get into high performance.
You absolutely cannot have high performance in my mind without resilience. It doesn't happen.
Resilience delivers both high performance and well-being, and you need both.
The resilience engine is a fantastic tool to help give a message that can be quite complicated.
Everyone has a story, a vulnerable story, and we dare to share it with each other. So I think that's why we're a powerful community.
The way she's pulling together people from a huge wide spectrum, coaching to such a wide spectrum, to build a vibrant, thriving, learning community.